It's time for another snack crate. So if you want to see what the destination is for, I believe this is the December box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's sitting next to me, and this is, I believe, we are up to date finally with, oh no, maybe the November snack crate. Well, November or December.
Can you guess which is this one?
No, I can't.
You don't know which country it is?
I don't recall. We're so far behind with them and I don't remember. Well?
This monster?
Scotland.
Yep, you're right.
Okay.
Oh, ew!
All right. Am I getting the book or are you getting the book?
Yeah, you can read the thing, so I can look through the stuff.
Okay.
Alright, first though, we got all sweet. These look delicious.
All right, so that was in like the extras. I don't know that those are in here. I don't think that they are.
It comes in bubblegum flavor, original raspberry and milk flavor, and rhubarb and custard, and then sour cherry and apple flavor.
All right, so we'll put these up here because you definitely want to try those.
Yeah. Well, first we have truffle and rosemary crisps, potato chips.
We have some hot blazing fried chicken flavored Pringles.
We have coated puff candy. Wonder what that is.
I don't know.
Maybe marshmallow?
No, it's got a sugar honeycomb inside.
Ooh, we gotta try that.
I have been wanting to try a sugar honeycomb candy.
I've been wanting to try honeycomb in
I
general.
think that's why I got this extra one, because of that particular bar.
Millionaire shortbread, gluten-free, Meg, and elk-free vegan. In a nice pack!
Is it a plasticky one?
No,
Oh.
sadly. I think Santa's been throwing them away.
I don't know. When I find the plastic ones, I put them in there.
So first, ooh, king prawn flavored chips.
Yeah, I don't know that we'll need this for much.
Yeah, it's all in English, so. Want to show it?
You will definitely like those.
Yeah. Worcester sauce flavored chips. Pickled onion corn snacks.
Oh, no thank you. That sounds horrible.
Oh, beautiful plastic. Earn brew. I think this is orange flavored.
So, yes, it's their bright orange national soda with a bold, citrusy, lightly spiced, refreshingly tangy, and unmistakable kick.
Yeah.
And the sizzling king prawns were part of the premium snack club,
Nice.
as is the drink.
That's pretty good. You want the rest of mine? Because I
No.
want to drink the other one.
No, I don't want the rest of yours.
Alright. Well, I want to drink the soda, but I don't know.
Okay,
Next we
who's
have
next?
butterscotch crunch biscuits.
Ooh, those look tasty.
Sausage and tomato chips. Oh, oh, look at this packaging. This is so tough. It's a snowball, but it's all crushed. It's coconut. You wouldn't like it.
No, I would not.
Ooh. Macaroon. I love macaroons and macarons. Oh, I love
So
that.
this will also be coconut.
Flying saucers. These are wafers. I don't know what flavor they are. Let me check. No idea. Why don't you take a look?
All right, it says a crisp, light wafer shell filled with a tangy, mouth-tingling sherbet powder.
Ooh.
Just like a fizzy, fun, colorful pixie stick UFO. Okay. That is interesting. I feel like we have to try these.
Maybe Wham with sour crystals.
Ooh, that also sounds good. Let me just...
Black currant.
This is a raspberry taffy with a fizzy pop rock kick.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
We have black currant little thingies.
So these are like pop rocks again. Tiny, chewy gems bursting with bold black currant soda flavor. Like sipping fizzy, fruity pop in delightful candy form.
Fried egg gummies.
Fried egg gummies. These can't be tasting like fried eggs. Hold on.
Well, no, they're just shaped like fried eggs, I think.
Berry flavored.
Yeah. Iron brewed chew bar.
It's a chewy taffy infused with Scotland's beloved iron brew flavor. Sweet, tangy, and unmistakably Scottish.
Caramel wafer biscuit. Ooh. And it's completely solid. It's not broken up. Jaffa donuts.
Chocolate covered donuts.
White chocolate, milk chocolate, chunky Kit Kat.
Oh, that's interesting.
Gravy flavored potato sticks. Milky Way crispy rolls. Cheese and onion flavored crisps. Black pepper. Haggis and black pepper chips.
I'm not even sure. Oh,
What's haggis?
haggis. Sheep intestine.
Oh.
Yeah. It's big in Scotland. It's a
worth a try.
savory spice mix of Scotland's national dish, peppery, herby, and boldly umami, without requiring a sheep's stomach. Haggis is so beloved that January 25th is celebrated as Burns Night, honoring poet Robert Burns and featuring a ceremony addressed to a haggis. So I guess if it's flavored the way that they flavor haggis, that might be okay.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Urn brew.
Oh, cool. So Mars bar.
Now this was featured in the back here. Scottish turned this global classic into a legend by deep frying it.
Oh.
Chocolate, caramel, and nougat encased in a warm, crispy batter is an indulgence you have to taste to believe. A deep fried Mars bar was first served in a small chip shop in Stonehaven, Aberdeenshire, back in 1992. Since then, it's become a cheeky and iconic symbol of Scotland's fearless frying tradition, beloved by the locals and visitors alike.
We got a Cadbury double decker.
Oh,
And a Crunchie by Cadbury.
love the Cadbury. So this double decker has like a crunchy piece to it.
So is honeycomb like the actual, like the waxy stuff?
No,
Oh.
crunchy.
I got a little bit excited when I heard honeycomb. I thought it was like the wax with the honey. I want to try that someday. I want to take a big bite into that.
Okay.
Like the waxy stuff. With like,
Okay.
I know I sound stupid not being able to say it, but with all the honey in it, oh my god, that must be amazing. I want to try that though.
Okay, so you want to try this.
Yeah. No, I like that.
Not super sour. But it's tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Because these are so weird, we have to try these.
Alright.
So there's like a little powdery thing in there. I guess we just let it... Now that's tart.
Yeah.
That's very tart. All right, any other sweets you want to try?
Wasn't this, do you want to try the honeycomb thing?
You good?
Sure. Yeah.
There's definitely like some honey in there though.
Yeah. It's like marshmallows. Once they've been burned over a fire.
Yes. Not what I was expecting it to be, but very tasty. It does not taste like a Butterfingers. Okay, what are we trying for the savory? I feel like we have to try the haggis.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to, but I feel like we have to. Okay. Palate cleanse.
I like that, but it's really sweet. I could probably only have like A
A
little
little bit
bit.
at a time.
Could put this down.
Okay. Here we go. This is either going to be really good or really bad.
Yeah.
I do not. I can't even finish that chip.
What do you taste that you don't like?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's really good.
The aftertaste isn't bad, but the first bite I did not like. It could be because I still have that sweet taste in my mouth, though, too. So it could be that mix. Now, of the savories, what else did you want to try? There wasn't much in the savory that I really thought I would like. The prawn?
Yes. Here. Oh, that smells heavenly.
I may not like this either because I still have that sweet taste in my mouth.
Mmm. You won't like that. Like at all. It's like salt and vinegar chips.
No, it's spicy.
Well, I can taste that too, but can you taste the vinegar in it?
A little bit. But
I can definitely get the spice a little bit, but it mostly tastes like salt and vinegar to me.
no, I definitely get that spice, which makes it not so bad as the salt and vinegar. Okay, so lots of great things to try.
Yep.
And explore Scotland through their foods. Okay, so that is all we have for now. But please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.